Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool that gives information. In many organizations, AI is becoming part of how decisions are made. This raises an important and fundamental question. What happens when humans and AI systems begin working together, adapting to each other, and shaping managerial decisions? In this study, we examine how artificial intelligence is transforming organizational decision-making in tourism and hospitality contexts. The article does not treat AI as a simple technical tool. Instead, it introduces a framework for understanding decision-making as part of a human-agentic AI hybrid system. This means that humans and AI do not simply operate separately. They interact, they learn from each other, they influence how choices are framed, evaluated, and made. The article focuses on the idea of AI-human socialization. This refers to the process through which AI becomes integrated into organizational routines and managerial practices, team interactions, and decision-making flows. In other words, successful AI adoption is not only about having advanced technology, it is also about how people learn to work with AI, how they develop trust in AI-generated recommendations, and how organizations decide which roles should be handled by humans, by AI, or by both. To explain this, the article draws on socio-technical systems theory and proposes a process-based framework for continuous socio-technological transformation. A key part of this framework is the idea of intelligent choice architectures. These architectures help structure how information is collected, how alternatives are presented, how AI recommendations are interpreted, and how managers make final decisions. For example, in pricing optimization, AI can analyze demand patterns and customer behavior, competitor prices, and market conditions. But the human manager still plays an important role. Managers need to interpret AI recommendations, consider organizational goals, evaluate risks, and decide how much authority AI should have in the decision-making process. So the key point is not that AI replaces managers. The key point is that organizations need to design better decision systems, where human judgment and agentic AI can work together in structured, legitimate, and socially embedded ways. This is why trust, teamwork, and legitimacy are central to the framework. If people do not trust the system, they may ignore it. If the AI system is not understood, it may be misused. And if the organization does not clearly define the roles of humans and AI, decision-making can become fragmented or ineffective. The article shows that AI is transforming organizational decision-making not only by improving prediction or automation, but by reshaping the relationships between people, technology, and managerial processes. In the future, the question may not be whether organizations should use AI. The more important question may be, how can organizations learn to work with AI responsibly, effectively, and intelligently? This is the central idea of our article, Beauty or the Borg: Artificial Intelligence Socialization in Hybrid Transformative Dynamic Flows, published in Tourism Management.